everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. I've come to pick an international winner for the folio giveaway that I was doing. Now, I have purposely waited a good few weeks to draw this, and I have had people messaging me asking me when I'm doing it. I didn't have a set date, and I've purposely waited because what typically happens is when you do a giveaway, people will subscribe to you just to enter the giveaway, and then when they think it's over and done with, they'll unsubscribe. So this is my way of making sure this goes to a genuine subscriber, and if anybody thinks that that's unfair, well, that's how it is. So I've copy and pasted the link from here, okay, and I'm going to here, which is a comment picker. Okay, so YouTube random comment picker, go down here, copy and paste the link, paste, filter out duplicate users because I did have quite a few people that commented more than one time, but I do, and I will be checking whichever name comes up is a subscriber, and if it's not a subscriber, then if the person's not a subscriber, then I'll pick again. So start, so it's pick it, oh hold on a minute, get my comments, so that's dragging my comments, 122 unique comments, start. Let's see who we're getting. Okay, Ginny Moore, New Zealand. Now I know for a fact that Ginny does follow me and does comment regularly, so that's great. So Ginny Moore, if you can please contact me via my email, which is underneath all of my videos. It's basically my name, Amanda Charlesworth @gmail.com, with your address. I'll get that off to you. And I'm pleased that it's gone to somebody whose name I recognise, because I do recognise people who comment over and over and over again, so that's really made my day. So there you go, Ginny, that's going to you. Goodness knows how long it'll take. Now what I will say is, you know, keep your eyes peeled, because I will be doing another giveaway either at the end of this month or the beginning of April. I've got another design team project that I've got to do, and I will be doing a giveaway. This time it will be a UK one, and maybe I'll do an extra one for internationals as well. I think I probably will do what I did before and give something. It doesn't matter what I send within the UK because the postage is what it is, and then maybe something slightly lighter in weight for internationals. So keep your eyes out for the next giveaway. Thanks to everybody for your support, for subscribing and for watching. I really appreciate it. Brilliant. Thanks ever so much. Bye for now.